of all the things I believed in. I just wanna get it over with. Tears form behind my eyes, but I do not cry. Counting the days that pass me by. I've been searching deep down in my soul. Words that I'm hearing are starting to get old. It feels like I'm starting all over again. The last 3 years were just pretend, and I said goodbye to you, goodbye to everything I thought I knew. You were the one I loved, the one thing that I tried to hold on to. I still get lost in your eyes, and it seems that I can't live a day without you. Closing my eyes and you'll chase my thoughts away to a place where I am blinded by the light, but it's not right. Goodbye to you, goodbye to everything I thought I knew. You were the one I loved, the one thing that I tried to hold on to. And it hurts to want everything and nothing at the same time. I want what's yours and I want what's mine. I want you, but I'm not giving in this time. Goodbye to you.
Panapanahon ng pagkakataon, may babalik bang kahapon? Natatandaan mo pa ba nang tayong dalawa'y unang magkita? Panahon ng kamusmusan, sa piling ng mga bulaklak at halaman, doon tayo nagsimula mangarap at tulad. Natatandaan mo pa ba inukit kong puso sa punong mangga, at ang inalay kong bumamela, magkahawak kamay sa dalampasigan, malayang tulad ng mga ibon, ang gunita ng ating kahapon. Ang mga puno't halaman ay kabiyak ng ating gunita. Sa paglipas ng panahon, bakit kailangan ding lumisan? Panapanahon ng pagkakataon, may babalik bang kahapon? Tulad ko ng iyong pananabik, makita ang dating kanlungan, tahanan ng ating tula at pangarap, ngayon ay naglaho na. Saan nahanapin pa? Lumilipas ang panahon, kabiyak ng ating gunita, ang mga puno't halaman, bakit kailangang lumisan? Panapanahon ng pagkakataon, may babalik bang kahapon? Lumilipas ang panahon, kabiyak ng ating gunita, ang mga puno't halaman, bakit kailangang lumisan? Panapanahon ng pagkakataon, may babalik ba